It's a car. Listen. Turn it. No way. Stop. Look. Here. Hold up. Put this on. You gotta put both hands on the wheel. You gotta put both hands right here. Okay? So you can drive it. So you can
Wow, you keep getting in front of the camera.
There you go. See, there you go. Put both hands on the wheel.
Oh, look!
Press the
Did you
gas.
see that?
Press the gas.
He was going there.
No,
and
press the
then
gas.
he
No.
I know.
Okay, you want to say
He'll
something?
learn.
Say something.
turned.
Say, don't move.
He's up here.
Okay, now follow him, guys. Go. Get him. Get him. Oh, there you go. Press it. Press the gas. Get away from him. Press the gas. Press it there. All the way. Hard. Press it harder. 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 All right. Go. Yeah, follow me. Press it harder. Yes, you can. It's too far for you. Follow your sister. Go. Go, go.
Come over here.
Go. Press it. All right, buddy. You guys keep doing this,
He keeps stopping because he's scared.
You want to let Haley drive?
Stop, stop.
Move over.
Oh, wait, turn it off. Oh, wait, never mind. Hey, let Haley grab the sheet.
Now let's see how good Haley does.
She does the same thing.
Turn around.
Is there light?
Yeah, just
Yeah.
turn around. Keep the turn and go turn around.
It's on.
It's turning around.
Oh.
Give Eric the little thing, the little radio, so he can say.
Press the button for him.
He's like, hey, daddy. Oh, how cute.
Haley, careful with the
Keep
gas.
pressing it. Keep pressing it. Go, go, go. Valerie, what did you say? Your turn? Yes.
Go for another ride.
Say hi, guys, because I'm going to turn it off. Say hi.
Go, go, go.
Say hi.
You do it one more time.